This is the R2 Siemens Simatic HMI simulator running the application. Over here we have the 4 pump outputs that will be orange when they're off and green when they're on. We have the start and stop button and the overall running button, run or not. This is the sequence. This is where we'll put the 1, 3, 4, 2. That will tell it in which order to start the pumps. This is a staged order, so you can play with it here. What you do is you want to enter 1, 3, 4, 2. You click 1 for the first one. Notice that it changes from, that changes to a 1 and this changes to green. And you push the 3, which puts the 3 there. Then I'm going to push the 4, which is going to put the 4 in the third slot. And then I'm going to finally push the 2. Notice I still haven't changed the active sequence. I do that here by clicking this button. Copies the sequence over. And then you can reorder the sequence if you want. And I can just put zeros in it, 0 being a no-op, of course. Then we can also copy the active sequence back over to the stage sequence if we wanted to for some reason. Anyway, once we have the, and we say we could put in the reverse sequence, 2, 4, 3, 1, 2, 4, 3, 1. If I push this, then that would copy the 2, 3, 4, 1 here. Now here's the start button, which causes this to run, and pump 1 is the first pump there. And after 5 seconds, pump 3 turns on. Another 5 seconds, the third pump, pump 4 turns on. After another 5 seconds, the final pump, fourth pump, pump 2 turns on. And when you do stop, turns off the last pump, turns off the third sequence pump, which is pump 4, then the second sequence pump, which is pump 3, and finally this pump, which is pump 1. Notice that when we're started, this button here goes away. I'll stop it again. This button appears. If I start it, that button disappears because you don't want to copy this sequence over while the sequence is running. So I'll stop it again. One last time. I'm going to copy over the 2, 4, 3, 1. Now I'm going to start it. Starts pump 2 as the first sequence pump. Second sequence pump is pump 4 here. Third sequence pump is pump 3 here. And the fourth sequence pump is pump 1 here.